Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to create promotional messages. Let's talk about key features and benefits. Promotional messages are a type of marketing strategy that businesses develop to promote their products or services. You can configure a promotional message in any form on your websites, such as pop-up, slider, toggle, and top header. It helps you to schedule promotional messages on your website by enabling promotional message duration. Let's have a look into the admin. First of all, we need to go to personalization, promotional message. Here you can see there is an add button in the top right corner. Just click over here. So here, first of all, you need to add these details where you need to select display style, whether you want to show on both or login before customer or after login of the customer. Then you have to select page to be displayed for. So here we have options where you want to select content page, static page, or any of these available options. So here we are taking static page. So in this, you can show up on the home page or any of these static pages. So let's suppose we're taking home page and you have promotional patterns where you can see pop-up, slider, toggle, top header. And here you can see the example of these available options of pattern. And after selecting promotional pattern, you have to select width and height of the frame in which you want to show the promotional message. After that, you can select a time frame in which you want to show the promotional message, else you can leave it blank. It's not mandatory. Next, you have to select delay time after how many seconds you want to show the message on the website. So I'm taking 2 seconds after loading of the page. And here you have to put a title that is mandatory. But if you want to leave the title message blank, you can put HTML over here like this. So it will not show any message on the website, but as this is a mandatory field, then you have to put a text over here. Then here we need to put promotional details. So I'm just taking this detail and I'm just selecting the position on the page. After that, you can also import any image as per your choice. So I'm importing one image sample. Just click on upload, upload to server, and you can set width and height and border spacing, vertical spacing over here. You can set alignment left or right. So these are the options. If you want to set these, you can change it from here and just click on OK. So here the image is uploaded. After that, you can set promotional message duration. So here you have options to select date and time, from which time to till which time you want to keep showing the message. After that, enable the status and just click on save. So once you save this, as we go on the website and refresh the page, you can see the promotional messages coming up over here. So in this way, we can create promotional message on our website. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further queries, feel free to connect with us. Thank you.